There's a revolution happening in the world of neuroscience, a paradigm shift that's changing the way we understand the brain, the mind, and ultimately ourselves. At the heart of this revolution is the recognition that our thoughts, emotions, and sensations are not separate events in our mind. They are instead interconnected experiences that form a rich tapestry of our being. This realization has profound implications, especially when it comes to cultivating positive qualities like compassion and kindness. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of the compassionate brain. We will explore the neural pathways associated with empathy and altruism, and learn how they can be activated through simple yet powerful practices. By understanding the mechanics of compassion and practicing ways to engage these pathways, we can cultivate more of it in our lives. And it's not just about feeling good. Research shows that engaging these neural networks can lead to tangible benefits in our mental health and overall well-being. So let's embark on this journey together. I invite you to find a quiet space where you can relax and let go. Close your eyes and turn off any distractions so you can fully immerse yourself in this experience. As you settle in, bring your awareness to the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation, a silent, steady dance that has been sustaining you since the very beginning. With each breath, you anchor yourself to the present moment, allowing any tension or distraction to drift away like clouds passing across the sky. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your gaze to drift inward, focusing on the subtle sensations within your body. Notice the feeling of your body being cradled by the chair or the ground beneath you. Feel the gentle pulse of your heart, the ebb and flow of your breath, and the comforting warmth of your own presence. In this sacred space of stillness, there's an invitation for you to extend this same kindness to the vast expanse of all beings. Envision a radiant light of love and compassion emanating from the core of your being. Picture this light expanding, embracing all living creatures near and far. It's a silent, invisible force that connects you to every living thing, reminding you of the shared humanity that binds us all. This practice isn't just about sitting in silence. It's about feeling the profound connection that exists between you and everything around you. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine this light reaching out, touching every living being, soothing their pain, alleviating their suffering, and celebrating their joys. Feel the interconnectedness of all life and the power of your own compassionate energy. With each exhale, you send forth this light, reinforcing the bonds of love and understanding that connect us all. In this state of deep relaxation and expanded consciousness, you are encouraged to rest in the beauty of the present moment. There's no need to control or change anything. Simply be present with whatever arises, whether it's a sense of calm, a wave of emotion, or even a stray thought. Embrace it all without judgment, knowing that you are bathing in the transformative power of compassion and kindness. Allow this experience to envelop you, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility that can be carried with you throughout the day. As you gradually come back to the room, notice the sensations in your body and the subtle shifts in your emotions. Take a moment to appreciate the depth of connection you have cultivated, not only with yourself, but with all beings. Gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of peace and connectedness with you as you step into the world. Now that we have experienced this practice firsthand, let's delve deeper into its profound implications. The practice we just engaged in is rooted in the belief that our thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations are interconnected. This perspective is in line with the findings of modern neuroscience, which shows that our mental states have a direct impact on our physical body and vice versa. This intricate connection between the mind and body is at the core of understanding and cultivating compassion. The neural pathways related to compassion involve a complex interplay of various regions in our brain. One key area is the prefrontal cortex, which plays a crucial role in social cognition and emotional processing. When we engage in acts of kindness or show empathy towards others, this region of the brain lights up. Another important structure is the anterior insula, which is involved in both self-awareness and our ability to understand the perspectives and feelings of others. The practice we explored activates these areas, fostering a deeper sense of connection and understanding. But the benefits don't stop there. Engaging in compassionate activities also stimulates the release of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and oxytocin, which play vital roles in mood regulation and social bonding. By practicing acts of kindness and nurturing our compassionate brain, we tap into these feel-good chemicals, contributing to our overall happiness and well-being. In essence, The practice we just followed is a simple yet powerful way to access these neural pathways and reap their benefits. By consciously focusing on sending out loving energy and connecting with all beings, we trigger a cascade of neurological and chemical processes that promote empathy, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. However, it's important to recognize that cultivating compassion doesn't come without its challenges. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves disconnected from both ourselves and others. The constant bombardment of negative news and the pressure to succeed can also make it difficult to maintain a compassionate mindset. Moreover, our own biases and prejudices can act as barriers, making it challenging to extend kindness and understanding to those who are different from us. Despite these challenges, the journey towards a more compassionate life is one that is deeply worth pursuing. The benefits of doing so are not only good for ourselves, but also for the world around us. When we choose to respond to negativity with understanding, to conflict with empathy, and to suffering with kindness, we create ripples of positivity that have the potential to transform lives. Nurturing a compassionate brain is a continuous practice that requires patience, self-awareness, and a willingness to grow. It's about making a conscious effort to cultivate empathy, understanding, and kindness in our daily interactions. It's also about recognizing and challenging our own biases and prejudices, as well as finding ways to disconnect from the constant negativity that surrounds us. So how can we put these principles into practice in our everyday lives? One powerful approach is through mindfulness. By developing a deep awareness of the present moment, we can better understand our emotions and the thoughts that arise within us. This awareness allows us to respond to situations with intention, rather than reacting impulsively. It's also essential to cultivate self-compassion, as research has shown that self-compassion is strongly correlated with our ability to extend compassion to others. By treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, we pave the way for greater empathy in our relationships. Furthermore, engaging in acts of kindness, no matter how small, can significantly impact our compassionate brain. These acts can be as simple as offering a listening ear to a friend, helping a neighbor, or donating to a cause we believe in. Each act of kindness reinforces the neural pathways related to compassion, making it easier to access these pathways in the future. Moreover, surrounding ourselves with a supportive community of like-minded individuals can also foster compassion. Engaging in activities that promote empathy and understanding, such as volunteering or participating in intergroup dialogue programs, can broaden our perspectives and strengthen our compassionate muscles. Cultivating a compassionate brain is a journey that promises profound rewards not only for ourselves but for the world we inhabit. By embracing practices that nurture our capacity for empathy, understanding, and kindness, we can create a ripple effect of positivity that touches the lives of others. As we continue to explore the depths of our own humanity, we unlock the power to create a more compassionate and harmonious world. In conclusion, the practice we have just experienced is more than a mere guided meditation. It's a gateway to understanding and accessing the neural pathways of compassion and kindness. Through this practice, we've learned to connect with our inner selves and extend that very connection to all living beings. This journey into the compassionate brain has opened up possibilities for cultivating empathy, understanding, and love in our everyday lives. If you found this experience helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also benefit from exploring their own compassionate brain. Together, we can create a ripple effect of kindness and understanding in our world.